Good job, O. Yay! Okay, can you touch the bottom?
Touch the bottom. There we go. You ready? Close up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now take a feet.
Yay!
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Okay, you didn't even get water in your mouth. You ready? What's the matter? You didn't even get water in your mouth. Why are you coughing? No, you didn't get any water. I was standing right here. You didn't get any water in your mouth at all. You ready to touch it with your hand?
okay, then swim to the side again.
Swim over to mommy. Face down.
Swim to me.
Face down. Oh, wait. You know how to swim with your face down.
Oh, Mimi will be so proud. And Nana and Uncle Jeff. And Grandma Annie and Uncle and Pop. Everybody. Can you wave to the camera, please? Say hi, Aunt Amy. Hi, Aunt Melissa. Hi, Uncle Corwin. Come on, say hi. Good job, buddy.